Hey, what is going on, guys? It is me, Nicole here, and welcome back to a brand new video on the channel. And in today's video, guys, I'm going to be showing you guys 3 easy and best effects for your highlights on Premiere Pro. If this video does help you out, please be sure to like and subscribe. But without further ado, let's get started. First of all, you're obviously just going to want to have your song. I'm just using one from Epidemic Sounds right now, just so this video doesn't get copyrighted. But pretty much, first of all, what you're going to want to do is go through in your clip and obviously find where you get your kill. So this is just a kill that I found from YouTube, and you're just going to want to look in the bottom right. If I put it on full real quick, you're going to want to look for when the bullet number changes or when the little gunshot shows up on screen. Mark it and then find where you want the kill to happen, and you're just going to pretty much want to sync everything up. So I'm just going to do that. I'm just going to play like this.
Hey, Bill, I'm in the mood for a switch up. I hit the function, hit the rose till I hiccup.
So as you guys can see, it's obviously on beat. What you're gonna want to do though is go 1 frame before you shoot your gun and split the clip. Then drag on something called BCC velocity remap, because this is how to get a really smooth slow-mo. You're gonna want to make sure frame blending is switched off and that composite curves is also switched off. Then place a keyframe on velocity, go 1 frame in front so it will then go on the kill. Put it up to 300. So now go 5 frames to the right by holding shift and the arrow key once to the right, and keyframe it again and put it to 300. And then go 1 frame in front and put it down to 50. So now, guys, it will look a little something like this. So obviously you can then proceed to turn it back up to 100. So if you place a keyframe and put the velocity on 100, it will then go like this. Obviously you can determine when you want the slow-mo to happen. So guys, that is the first effect, and if you guys would like to save that as a preset, feel free to do so by right clicking on the BCC and do save preset. And guys, also if the 300% looks a bit too fast, you guys can turn it down to 200. It pretty much depends on the clip at the end of the day. So guys, the next effect is going to be S_shake, but it's not just going to be like a normal shake. It's going to be a bit more different, and it's going to be used for more things. So you're going to want to make sure the amplitude is on 0. Keyframe the Z dist at the beginning. If you don't, just drag it to the beginning. And you're going to want to put the Z dist on 0.95 and go to the end and just press the little reset. So then it slowly goes in to a little screen pump like so. You guys can kind of see it there the most. So guys, another thing to do is go over to the X shake, put that on 0. Get the Y shake, put it on 0. Go over to the tilt shake, put the amplitude on 2. Scroll down to channels and put the red amplitude on 3, which pretty much adds an RGB effect. Then put the frequency to 4. Keyframe the amplitude and put it to 0.2. And just slowly make that go off to 0% as well. So now it will go a little something like this. So just pretty much, guys, adds a little bit of an RGB shade, but it's not a big effect as that's not what it's made for anyway. So guys, the next effect is BCC color balance, and you're just gonna want to drag that on as well. And you're going to want to scroll down and keyframe the blue balance and put it to 50 at the beginning of the clip. And then go around halfway and drag it to 0. So then it goes like this. Now guys, sometimes blue may not be the answer with your video. So you can obviously do whichever color you want. So I might try red balance and try putting it up to 50. And put that to 0 again. So then it goes like. So I personally feel like the red suits this video a bit more. But yeah, guys, that is going to be it for this video. If you guys did enjoy, please be sure to smash the thumbs up button and subscribe. And be sure to follow the Twitter, guys, as I am quite active on there. And yeah, I appreciate you all very, very much, and peace out, everyone.
I wonder, is it worth living now? They told me dreams come true once you live it out. I picked up pieces from my childhood in a broken